Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make wakame no shoga itame. It's wakame seaweed, stir-fried with ginger. Very simple, yet delicious and addictive side. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this wakame no shoga itame, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 30 grams of dried wakame seaweed, some ginger, 2 tablespoons each of sake and mirin, and 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and sugar. Let's rehydrate wakame seaweed first. Wakame seaweed is tiny bits when it's dried. But when it's rehydrated, it's spread out really big, so make sure to use plenty of water. And just let it sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's slice ginger. I'm going to use the ginger with the skin on, so I washed it really well. But if your ginger is too dry, just peel it. Let's make it into thin slices first. Align them. Then into thin strips. Let's put it in the frying pan. I left wakame seaweed for 10 minutes and it's completely rehydrated. Let's drain, squeeze it really well and add to the frying pan. Take some and squeeze. Put a little bit of vegetable oil into the frying pan. It's just random amount, about a teaspoon. Turn the heat on and stir fry until the oil is circulated all over the wakame seaweed. Medium to medium high heat. Wakame seaweed is lightly coated with the vegetable oil and you start to hear it sizzle. Let's add all the seasonings. Mirin, sake, soy sauce, and sugar. Keep stir frying until you cook down the sauce to half. Turn the heat off and it's done. Super easy. Let's serve in the bowl. And wakame no shoga itame is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's such a simple dish, but weirdly addictive. I love the unique texture of wakame seaweed. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Wakame no shoga itame is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. Plain rice here, and your favorite miso soup here. Anything you like for the main, but I think I want to have tebasaki no karaage. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.